Calculate molality, molarity and mole fraction of Ki if the density of 20 percentage aqueous Ki is 1.202 gram per milliliter. What is the meaning of 20 percentage aqueous solution of Ki? It means 20 gram of Ki is present in 100 gram of solution, right? 100 gram of solution. So total mass is 100, mass of solute is 20. So what is mass of solvent? Mass of solvent or mass of water will be what? Mass of water will be 100 minus 20. It is 80 gram. Why solvent is water? Because in question it is mentioned that it is aqueous, okay? 80 gram. So we find the mass of solvent. First we have to find molality, right? Molality. What is equation of molality? Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilogram. So first we have to find number of moles of solute, right? And what is equation for that? Mass of solute by molar mass. So mass of solute we already find, right? It is 20 gram. And what about molar mass? Molar mass is, see, Ki, correct? Ki. What is K? K is 39 and iodine is what? 127. So what you are getting? 20 by 166. So we will be getting like 0.120. Now we have to find molality. What is molality? Molality is number of moles of solute. What is that? 0.120 by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent is what? 80. But it is gram, right? You have to convert to kg. So 80 into 10 raised to minus 3. On calculating, you will be getting 1.5. What is the unit? You can write mole per kg or you can simply write m. Both are same. 1.5 m. So we got the answer for molality. Check it. Okay, this is the equation. This is the answer for molality. Now we have to find molarity. See, if density and mass percentage is given. Here you can see mass percentage is given, density is given. Then there is an equation to find molarity directly. This is that equation. Mass percentage into 10 into D by MB. So you can directly apply the values. Mass percentage is what? 20 into 10 into D is what? 1.202 by what is MB? 166. Okay, so on calculating you will be getting 1.44. And what is the unit? Unit is either you can write mole per liter or you can simply write capital M. Now we have to find mole fraction. Okay, what is the equation for mole fraction? Mole fraction of the solute. Here we have to find the mole fraction of solute. Okay, that is number of moles of solute by total number of moles. Okay, here B represents solute, that is Ki, and A represents solvent, that is water. And see, during the calculation of molality, we already find the mass of Ki and water. You remember, mass of Ki is 20 gram and mass of water is 80 gram. That we already know. Okay. Also, we find the number of moles of Ki, that is 0.120. That all we already find during the calculation of molality. Okay, you can check it. Now see, what is Na? What is number of moles of water? It is mass of water by molar mass of water. Okay, so mass of water is what? 80 gram. 80 gram by what is molar mass? 18. That you already know, right? How to find it? See, hydrogen is 1 into 2 hydrogen is there, plus 16, oxygen is 16, On adding, you will be getting 18. Easy calculation, right? So on dividing, you will be getting 4.44. Now directly you can find the mole fraction of Ki. What is that? Number of moles of Ki. What is that? 0.120 by total number of moles. Na is 4.44 and Nb is what? 0.12. On calculating, you will be getting 0.0263. Remember, mole fraction does not have any unit.